Students, competitive chemistry, good morning. JEE NEET 2025 focus. Here there is a wonderful question before you. That is pyrophosphoric acid. The number of POH bonds, the number of PO bonds, the number of POP bonds, and the basicity of the pyrophosphoric acid is. Let us go for detailed discussion about pyrophosphoric acid. You better to draw the structure of pyrophosphoric acid. The formula of pyrophosphoric acid is H4P2O7. Okay, H4, 4 hydrogens are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 phosphorus atoms are there, okay. 7 oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 oxygen atoms are there. So if you observe very keenly the structure of pyrophosphoric acid, POH bonds, POH, 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of POH bonds are 4. Okay. At the same time, POP bond is only 1. POP bond is only 1. At the same time, PO bonds, P double bond O, here 1, here P double bond 1. So PO bonds are 2. Okay. So POH bonds 4, PO bonds 2, POP bond 1. At the same time, 2 phosphorus, 1. Here there is a oxygen. 2 phosphorus atoms are linking with the oxygen, 1 oxygen atom. At the same time, here hydrogen. 4 hydrogen atoms are attached to oxygen atoms. 4 hydrogen atoms are making bond with the oxygen atoms. Oxygen. Again they are attached with phosphorus. So you please note it, number of ionizable hydrogen atoms. Number of ionizable hydrogen atoms, or you can say proton, that acid can release is 4. The number of hydrogen that acid can release, that acid can produce is 4. So 4 ionizable hydrogen atoms are available. 4 ionizable hydrogen atoms are available. So the basicity is 4. Please note it. The number of ionizable hydrogen atoms. The number of ionizable hydrogen atoms that acid can release it, that is called basicity. So here 1 H plus, here 1, here 1, here 1. Total 4 will be released. So the basicity of the pyrophosphoric acid is 4. Diphosphoric acid, we can say diphosphoric acid. Base is tetra base, that is 4. Please note it. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe.